If you're participating in a cash discount program with your credit card provider, it's important to stay up to date with Visa's rules regarding how you display your prices to your customers. Let's look at the 2 ways our Pazio can help keep you compliant. With cash discounting, you're going to be showing the higher price with the surcharge to your customers and then offering them a discount if they pay cash. It's important to note with either cash discounting or dual pricing, nothing changes about how you manage your prices and your costs and your margins in our Pazio cloud. You still base everything on the cost and price of cash. That way you can work out your margins regardless of how the customer pays. Our Pazio cloud will automatically add the 3.9% for credit card purchases. Let's see how that works. When you're working in your cloud and setting your prices, it's the same as it's always been. But now you can add a column for surcharge amount. That way, you can easily see what your current price is if they pay with cash and what it would be if they paid with credit. Because you're adding this column to your main grid, you can also export this to Excel to use to print labels or anything else you'd need. When you're editing your items to set your prices, you still got your cost and your price. You work on your margins and your markup as always. We've always got the surcharge amount automatically calculated based on the 3.99% that you're charging to the customer when they pay with a credit card. Similarly, all of your reports stay exactly the same as they've always been. You've still got your net sales, and you'll still see the checkout fee for any surcharged amount that you charged when they paid with a credit card. Really, all of the changes to remain compliant are about how it's presented to the customer on the POS and in your store. Let's take a look at the POS. So over on the POS, when we go to sell our item, you'll see a cash and credit price just like you've seen, but now the credit price is the main price listed, and over on the right you'll see the balance credit as the main balance. We'll still list the balance cash here so the cashier can easily tell the customer if they ask, and all the prices displayed on the customer display are going to be showing the credit price. Now if they pay cash, it's as easy as ever, and when you look at the receipt, you'll now see that the higher price is shown, but then a cash discount is shown, and you can display exactly what was paid and what the difference would be with cash or credit. Let's take a look now at dual pricing. Dual pricing is very similar to cash discount. The only difference is that you're going to display the cash and credit price to the customer on all signage and all customer displays. It's similar to when you go to the gas station and you see a cash and credit price. Let's take a look on the POS how it differs. I'm going to sell that same banana. Again, we'll see cash and credit. Now this time over here, you'll see that we just leave the balance cash down here and then the balance credit. On the customer display, it's now displaying both the cash and credit price for every single item that's entered and the balance, so that they're aware of what the cash price would be and the credit price. When they pay with cash, when we take a look at the receipt, on the receipt, we'll see a cash and credit price. You'll always see the main price listed as the higher price, and then you'll see a cash and credit total and how they paid. You won't display it as cash discount, you're just basically showing both prices for both scenarios. Everything else remains exactly the same with all of your reporting. Again, the only real difference is how it's displayed to the customer. Thanks for watching this video walkthrough. For more information, email support@insightrs.com or visit us at insightrs.com.